Hi, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Now we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 2, chapter number 1, similarity. In this similarity, we are going to see the first ratio of the area of two triangles. For this, we need the area of triangle. We know from 8th standard we have studied area of triangle is equal to half base into height. By using this, we are going to see the ratio of the area of two triangles. The ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. A triangle is taken here, triangle ABC. In this, BC is a base that we have taken, it is an B1. AD is an height that we have taken, it is an H1. In the triangle PQR, QR is a base that we taken as an B2. PS is a height that we have taken it as an H2. We know that area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base is here BC into height is AD, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC is we have taken it as an B1 into AD we have taken it as an H1. This is equation number 1. Now, area of triangle PQR. Therefore, which is equal to half into base is QR into height is PS, which is equal to 1 upon 2. QR we have taken it as an B2 into height we have taken it as an H2. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, if you will take the ratio, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base that is B1 into height that is H1 upon half into B2 into H2. This half it is cancelled, which is equal to, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, that is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. That is, we have shown it. That is, the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the product of their base and the corresponding height. Now we are taking the condition 1, height of both the triangles are equal. That is, the property is there. The ratio of the area of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now here the two triangles we have taken, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In the triangle ABC, base BC as an B1, height AD as an H. In the triangle PQR, base QR we have taken it as an B2 and the height PS is an H. Therefore, by the ratio of the area of two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, that is base is B1 into height, here it is an H, upon, for the area of triangle PQR, base is an B2 into height, it is an H. This H and this H, it is an cancelled, which is equal to B1 upon B2. That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. When the height is same, we have seen that the area of the two triangles are equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases, that is B1 upon B2. Condition 2, the base of the both the triangles are equal. At that time the property is the ratio of the area of two triangles with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. Now in here the triangle ABC, that is AD is in height, and in the triangle PBC, PE is in height. The base is in common for both the triangles. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, in this triangle ABC, base is BC, that is B, into height is AD, that is H1, upon area of triangle PBC. PBC, here BC is an a base, that is B, into height is an a PE, that we are taken it as an a H2. Now base is common, same, so BB it is cancelled. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PBC, which is equal to H1 upon H2. That is the property, the ratio of the area of two triangles with the equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. Now by using the properties of the ratio of the areas of two triangles, we are solving two activities now here. One activity, first find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ. The figure is given here. A triangle ABC is there, R is an height, BC is an that is base. Now another triangle, triangle APQ. In this PQ is an a base, AR is an a height. It is shown here. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ is equal to, now area of triangle ABC is an a base, half base into height, half that is an a cancelled. Base is here BC into height is an a AR. Now area of triangle APQ, in this base is an a PQ and height is an a AR. That is, height is common for both the two triangles. So this AR is cancelled. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ is equal to BC upon PQ. This is the first activity we have completed. Now second activity, in the find the triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN. Here the figure is given, triangle LMN, in this MN is an a base and height is LP. In the triangle DMN, here MN is an a base and DQ is an a height. That means here base is an a same for both the triangles. Now area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN is equal to, now for the area of triangle LMN, that is base into height, that is mn into LP, and area of triangle DMN, in this mn is in a base and height is in a DQ. This is mn, it is cancelled, therefore area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN is equal to LP upon DQ. Here both the two activities we have completed. Now third activity, in the given figure, that is triangle ABC, in this M is in a midpoint of the segment AB and CM is in a median of the triangle ABC. Find area of triangle AMC upon area of triangle BMC. Now for that, draw the CD perpendicular AB. Therefore we will get that A dash D dash B, segment CM is in a median of the triangle ABC. Therefore AM is equal to BM. That is equation number 1. Point C is in a common vertex of the triangle AMC and the triangle BMC. For this both the triangle, this point C, that is in a vertex C, is in a common. Therefore the height of this both the triangle is an equal, that is CD. Now therefore area of triangle AMC upon area of triangle BMC is equal to, now area of triangle AMC, that is base is AM and height is CD. In the area of triangle BMC, that is base is BM into height is CD. That is CD is a common height. So this CD it is cancelled. So AM upon BM. But from equation 1, if we will see that AM is equal to BM. So we are replacing AM as a BM. So BM upon BM from 1. So this BM and this BM is cancelled, that is equal to 1. Here the activity is completed.